Good afternoon, teacher Ted.
Good afternoon, Bright. Afternoon. Afternoon, Kendall. Kunsu.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Afternoon. Afternoon.
I'm fine.
How is your lunch? How is your lunch time? Are you happy, guys? If you are happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you are happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you are happy and you know, and you really want to show, if you are happy and you know it, clap your hands. Who stole the cookies from the cookie jar? Bright stole the cookies from the cookie jar.
Help what pages?
76. You guys, you don't know this song. I will teach you. I will teach you. It's really interesting. It's really interesting and very easy. Afternoon, guys. Afternoon. Good afternoon. Who stole the cookies from the cookie jar? Prime stole the cookies from the cookie jar.
Help writing or not
Me?
writing?
Writing. Writing
Writing.
later. We will write later, Auka.
I'm
Auka,
not
Auka, do
writing.
you know this song? Auka, do you know this song? Do you know the song? Who stole the cookies from the cookie jar? Do you know the song? Auka. Auka, Auka. Auka.
Good afternoon.
Hi.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon, afternoon, afternoon. Good afternoon, good afternoon. Okay, guys, while we're waiting for others, you guys, you don't know this song, I will teach you, okay? I will teach you. But if you unmute, Teacher Tate can teach you. But if you don't unmute, Teacher Tate can't teach you the song. But it's really interesting, very, very interesting, okay? Who stole the cookies from the cookie jar? And then you name the person. For example, Auka stole the cookies from the cookie jar. And then Auka says, who, me? And then we all say, yes, you. And then he says, not me. And then we all say, then who? And then he names the person for another person like Bright. He can say Bright. And then Bright says, and then we all sing, who stole the cookies from the cookie jar? Okay, and then we say Bright, and then Bright says, who, me? And then we say, yes, you. Okay, and then she says, not me. And then we all say, but who? And then she names another person, and then we go round and round and round like that. It's really funny. It's really funny, guys. It's really funny. I will look for the song and then I can teach you maybe the video. Really nice. You will love it. Okay. While we're waiting for others, let's go to page 76. Page 76. Page 76. Page 76. Page 76, health book, this one. Health book, page 76. Page 76, health book, page 76. Page 76. Okay, I want us to listen. Let's listen to this video. Let's listen to the video. Okay, guys, let's listen to the video first. Okay.
We will learn about balanced diet. Food is one of our basic needs, and we all need food to live. Food helps us grow healthy and strong. It gives us energy to think, work, and play. Come on, let's learn about the sources of food. Plants and animals are the two main sources of food. We get vegetables, grains, pulses, and fruits from plants. We get meat, milk, fish, and eggs from animals. We should eat these in the right amounts to stay healthy. Interesting. Food groups. We can divide the food that we eat into 4 main groups. Energy-giving foods. These foods give us energy to work and play. Some of the energy-giving foods are grains like wheat and rice, and foods like sugar and chocolate. Body-building foods. These foods help us to build our muscles and make our bodies stronger. Wow, they also repair our body. Some of the body-building foods are meats, fish, eggs, milk, and milk products like cheese, yogurt, and butter. Protective foods. Some foods protect our bodies from falling sick. Some foods like milk and yogurt are needed to keep our bones and teeth strong. Vitamins and fibers. Our body needs substances called vitamins for energy, growth, and health. Yay! Vitamins protect us from falling ill and keep us healthy. We get vitamins from milk, eggs, fresh vegetables, and fruits. We also need fiber in our food as it helps us digest our food properly. Grains, pulses, some vegetables, and fruits have a lot of fiber. Water is very, very important. We must drink plenty of water every day. We should also make sure that the water we drink is safe and clean. Now, let's study about healthy and junk food. We should eat good, fresh, clean, and well-cooked food. Sometimes we eat food that is tasty but not good for health. Such food is called junk food. Eating too much junk food can make us sick. Now, it's time to remember some points. We need food to grow strong and healthy. Some foods give us energy. Some foods help us to build our muscles and body. Some foods protect us from falling ill. We also need vitamins, fiber, and water in correct amount. Now you know a lot about balanced diet and foods. Please drop a like, leave a comment, share the video.
Okay, guys, we have seen a video showing us the balanced diet. Last time we talked about balanced diet, right? We talked about balanced diet, and we also talked about the nutrition flag, and we said on the nutrition flag we have starched fruits, vegetables, milk, meat, oil, sugar, and salt, right? So today we want to talk about our meals. Today we want to talk about our meals, and it's on page 76. Page 76, health book. Page 76. So, like what we have seen in the video, we must always eat healthy. We must always eat healthy food, clean food, safe food, and well-cooked food. We must not always eat junk food like chips, like cakes, okay? So today we want to look at our meals. What time do we eat our meals and how we eat? We also want to talk about the habits, okay? So the first one says we should have 3 regular meals a day. 3 regular meals a day. The first one that we have in the morning, we said it's called what? Auka, The first meal that we eat in the morning is called, who still remembers? Who still remembers? The meal that we eat in the morning is called the breakfast. It's called breakfast.
Milk, eggs, and bread. Eating your favorite.
Yes, that's what we eat. But the meal that we eat in the morning is called breakfast. Breakfast.
Breakfast. Eating breakfast.
Yes, breakfast. So we have breakfast at 8 o'clock in the morning. We have breakfast at 8 o'clock in the morning. Why do we eat breakfast? Because we need a good breakfast for energy, so that we can be strong, so that we can have the power to run around and to go to school and to study our books and to listen in class. We need energy. So we must eat breakfast at 8 o'clock in the morning, okay? If we have no energy, we become tired easily. We cannot walk, run, play, or think well. So we must always make sure to eat your breakfast. Always make sure to eat your breakfast. Okay, guys, what do you usually eat for breakfast? What do you usually eat for your breakfast? Who wants to share with Teacher Tate? I just want one person who wants to tell the whole class, what do you usually eat for breakfast? Yes, Miran?
Milk, egg, and rice.
Okay, that's good, okay? Miran always eat milk and rice for breakfast, okay? That's good. And at lunchtime, at noon, like right now, we have lunch at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. We have lunch at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So in the morning, we have breakfast. In the noon, we have lunch. The meal that we have in the afternoon is called lunch, okay? Lunch. And then I also want one person that will tell me what they usually eat for lunch.
Me.
What? Yes.
Me.
Okay. Yes. Yes, Java.
Yeah. I eat omelets and a lot of fruit and vegetables.
Okay, that's good. Okay, Java told us that she usually eats omelets. She usually eats a lot of vegetables and fruits for lunch, okay? Okay, and then we have the third meal, the third one, we say, we have dinner at 7 o'clock. We have dinner at 7 o'clock in the evening. 7 o'clock in the evening, we have dinner. What do we usually eat for dinner? What do we usually eat for dinner? Who is there? I want one person that will tell me what they usually eat for dinner. Someone else who's not Java. I want someone else. Bright, is your hand up? Bright, is your hand up? Okay, no. Okay, I want someone else. Pramod, do you want to try? What do we usually eat for dinner? What do we usually eat for dinner in the evening? Or what do you usually eat for dinner? What do you eat for dinner?
Good morning, teacher.
Good afternoon.
Good
Afternoon. Yes, Pramod. Yes, Pramod. What?
20 o'clock.
What? Pardon?
พูดใหม่หนูบอก 20 o'clock.
Pardon? I can't hear you. Pardon? Okra.
Yeah. 20
Oh.
o'clock.
finish for the ears. Okay. So we have had what Farmer usually eats for dinner. Okay, everybody. We now want to look at how we should eat. We now want to look at how we should eat. Good eating habits. Good eating habits. It's on page 77. Page 77. So look at page 77. So on our meals, we agreed that we have 3 meals: our lunch, our breakfast, our dinner, okay? So we now want to talk about how we should eat. Good eating habits. Good eating habits, okay? Let's look at the pictures. Let's look at the pictures. The picture shows us a boy. He is eating what? He's eating bread. He's eating bread, and the other one is eating rice, and he is choking. He's choking now. He's coughing. What did they say? They said we should chew our food so that we can swallow them easily. We may choke and cough if we eat quickly. So number one, good eating habit. We must always eat slowly. We must always eat slowly and avoid choking or coughing. Like this boy, look at this boy. Oh my God, what is he doing? He's crying. He is choked. Now he's what? He's crying for water. He's crying for water. He has choked himself. Probably he was eating too fast, okay? So number one, we must always eat slowly, okay? The other one, we should swallow our food before we talk. We may talk if we talk when our mouth is full, okay? Like what we do when we are at home, with our parents in the evening, when we are having dinner. We must always remember to be quiet and chew our food before we speak. We must always remember to eat slowly and do not talk while you are chewing. Do not talk while you are chewing. Why? Because you might choke yourself when your mouth is too full with food. So firstly, chew your food and then you can talk while you're eating on the table, okay? Good eating habits. We can see at the picture. Let's look at this girl. This girl was eating rice. She was eating rice, and then she was talking with rice in her mouth, and she choked, you see? She's not crying. She's holding her throat, and she's crying. She's not crying for water because she was choking with food in her mouth. So, number one, always remember to eat slowly. And then number two, always remember to chew your food before you eat. Okay? Okay, guys, any questions? Any questions so far? Who has any question? Any questions? Okay, if there are no questions, let's continue on page 78. We want to continue to learn about the eating habits. The third one is we should always wash our hands. Always wash our hands before eating. When our parents call us and say, Pramod, Java, Mega, Alka, National, and everybody, come, let's eat. We must always remember to wash our hands. Okay? In hand. Yes, we must always wash our hands. so that we eat our food with clean hands. How do we wash our hands? Make sure that your hands, they are thoroughly clean like this, okay? You first do this, you clean the outside parts of your hands, you clean the inside parts of our hands, we clean in between our fingers like this, making sure that our hands are thoroughly clean. They are thoroughly clean, and then we can eat. Make sure to use clean water. Use clean water when you're washing your hands. So that's the third one. The first one, eat slowly. The second one, chew your food. Do not talk while you're eating. Number 3, we should always wash our hands. Wash our hands before eating, okay? And then after eating, we must always remember as well to wash our hands. When we have finished eating our rice, our chicken, our fruits, our vegetables, we must always remember to wash our hands so that they'll become clean again, okay? Let's look at the last one. The last one says we should drink at least 8 glasses of water every day. Every day. How many glasses do you drink, guys? How many glasses do you drink every day? Let me see who is drinking 8. Okay, Bright, your hand is up. Maybe she's telling us that she is. How many glasses do you drink? How many glasses of water do you drink?
I drink milk and food and water and juice.
Okay. Auka mixes it. He drinks
chocolate.
water and hot chocolate. Okay. You drink milk, water, juice. Okay. Who else wants to tell us how many glasses of water do we eat? Do we drink rather? Sorry. How many glasses of water do you drink?
Water there.
Okay. And Angpao, how many do you drink? How many glasses of water do you drink every day? How many? 8. Wow. Angpao says he drinks 8 glasses of water every day. That is good. That is good. And iPhone, you wanted to say?
I drink 5 glasses of water, 1 red water, and 0 milk. Yeah, 0 milk.
Okay. Okay. iPhone says he drinks 5 for water, and then some milk, and then some juice. Okay, guys. If you drink at least
red water, not juice.
You drink water, not juice. 8.
Red water. 1 red water.
Okay. 1 red water.
Water.
Okay.
1 water. Okay, guys, that is wonderful. So we must always remember to drink your water. Always remember to drink your water after food. Always remember to drink your water after food and after playing. Always remember to drink your water, okay? Always remember to do that. Okay, on the same page 78, we want to look at the table. Let's look at the table. Teacher Ted, I already finished that.
Really? Really? Okay.
I finished.
You finished?
I finished with Teacher Brandon.
Okay. So tell Teacher Tate.
Not finished Teacher Brandon.
Okay. So tell Teacher Tate.
Tate.
Teacher Tate doesn't know the answers, right? Teacher Tate doesn't know the answers.
Okay.
So
Number
Cake and
one.
candy.
It's what?
Cake and candy.
Okay, you say, teacher, can I
Candy.
try? Can you say that?
No candy. No candy. Try.
ยังไงแล้วครู
It says what?
Try.
Draw an X on the foods that are not good for you.
เพราะเหมือนเจ๊เขาก็เบื่อปลา
Teacher, can I try?
Yes, you can try.
I think cake and candy.
Okay, Java thinks cake and candy are not good for our health, for our bodies.
พี่อู๊ดบอกว่า
Who else? Do we all agree with Java? Do we all agree?
and candy not good.
Okay. Alka also agrees with Java. You said cake and candy or cake. They're not good. Who else? I want someone else. Do we all agree? Guys, do we all agree? Do we all agree? Okay. If we all agree, what is good for our bodies then? What is good for our bodies? What is good for our bodies if candies and cakes are not good for our bodies? What is good for our bodies? Do you want to tell teacher?
No candy. No candy.
Who want to try? What is good for our bodies? Yes, you said candies are not good. Yes, iPhone. Yes, iPhone. Can try. What is good for our bodies?
Fruits and vegetables and meat and pork. Huh?
And rice, right? This is rice, I think. This is rice. This is
Yes,
rice.
it's right.
And rice, okay. So rice, vegetables,
And
chicken, meat. Yes, they are good for our bodies. They are good for our bodies because rice, it gives us energy. It gives us energy. And for fruits and vegetables, they keep us healthy. They keep us healthy. They give us vitamins. And for meat, what does meat do? What does it do? Who wants to try? Meat makes us grow. It helps us to grow. It gives us proteins. It gives us proteins. It makes us grow. Yes, makes us grow. Okay, let's look at page 79. Let's look at page 79.
I already finished this
Finish.
with Brandon too.
Okay, so wonderful.
No,
I want you to tell me.
I don't finish.
Auka, don't finish. Auka, we say I haven't finished, okay? Okay, some has finished. Okay, some has finished, some has not finished. So let's help each other, okay? Let's help each other, it's okay? So let's look at number 2. Number 2 says, draw the food we eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So for now, we are going to talk about the food, and then later after class we can draw. After class we can draw. For now, let's talk about it. What do we eat for breakfast? What do we eat for breakfast? I'm seeing the hands up. I want to see hands up. What do we eat for breakfast? Who hasn't spoken to teacher Tate? Number 19. What do we eat for breakfast? Yes, Tin. We are listening. Tin. Yes. Yes.
And
Mhm.
rice
Okay. Okay, we have heard that Tim said for breakfast, he drinks milk. He drinks milk and eat rice for breakfast, okay? So what we are going to do, for example, Tim likes milk and rice for breakfast. So on breakfast, you are going to draw milk and rice. If someone else likes fruits and they like hot chocolate and they like bread, for example, Teacher Tate, myself, I like tea, I like bread, I like eggs for breakfast. So I'm going to draw bread, milk,
นั่งตาลอยเลย
hot chocolate, and eggs for breakfast. That's what we are going to do on page 79. Okay, I want someone else to tell me, what do you like for lunch? What food do you like to eat for lunch? Pat Nature, what do you like for lunch? Yes, we are waiting. What do you eat for lunch? Or what do you like for lunch? What do we eat for lunch? Pat Nature. Yes. We eat. What do you eat? We eat. You can try. Yes. We eat. Okay. For lunch, okay. For lunch, we eat fruits. We eat. What else do we eat? Sometimes we can drink juice. We can have ice cream. What else can we eat for lunch?
What?
Yeah.
I want to try.
Okay, wait for Pat Nisha to try. Okay. Wait for her to try. Okay, while she's still thinking, she will tell us what she likes for lunch. Yes? Noodles. Okay, that is good. Okay, she likes noodles for lunch. She likes noodles for lunch. Okay, you can have your noodles. Yeah, me too. Sometimes I like noodles for lunch, and then sometimes I like rice. Sometimes, yes, Pramot, you said you like? What do you like for lunch? Noodles, okay. Pramod says she likes noodles. She likes noodles for lunch. I want somebody else.
Me. I want to try. Me.
Yes, try.
I like noodles for lunch. The same.
Hey. Wow, okay, that's good. So it means that a lot of people, they like noodles for lunch. A lot of people, they like noodles for lunch. Okay, that's good, guys, that's good. And for dinner, what food do you eat for dinner?
I eat omelette.
Omelette, okay. And who else? Kendall, what do you eat for dinner? Kendall, what do you eat for dinner? Let's listen to Kendall. Kendall, what do you eat for dinner? What do you eat for dinner? You eat? What do you eat? You eat rice, chicken, or fish? What do you eat? What do you eat for
Like
dinner?
chicken.
Oh, chicken. This who spoke? Is it Pramod? Okay, Pramod says chicken, rice chicken. And Kendo, teacher Tate is still waiting. Is it Kendo?
Burger.
Kendo? Is it Kendo? No? Okay.
No.
Oh no, it's not Kendo. Okay, it's fine. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. You are doing a great job, everybody. Teacher Tate is very happy. So for dinner, we said some they like rice, some they like the fruits at dinner as well. Some they like what? Chicken, meat, okay, fish. And guys, what do you like to drink for dinner? What do you like to drink for dinner? What do you like to drink for dinner? Pramod, what do you like to drink for dinner? Do you like? Okay, let's check.
I like hot chocolate.
Hey, okay, that's good. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Teacher Tate is very happy. Everybody's participating. Number three. Did you do it with Teacher Brandon? Did you guys do number 3? No. Okay. Number 3 on page 80. Page 80. Yes. Go to page 80. Page 80 says, underline the correct sentences. Underline the correct sentences. Number 1, the first one says, we need to eat in order to grow. We need to eat in order to grow. Is it correct or wrong? iPhone, is it correct or wrong? We need to eat so that we can grow. Correct, okay?
Teacher 3.
And the next one, we should chew our food quickly. Underline. It says underline. Underline. Don't write just. Yes, just underline.
Correct.
Yes.
Sentences.
Yes.
Writing or not writing?
You can underline, Alka. You can just underline the correct sentence. Like number 1, the first one, you just underline it like with a line below it, okay? Number 2, the other one says, we should chew our food quickly. Is it true or false? We should chew our food quickly. What should we do? Should we chew our food quickly, guys? When we are eating, should we chew our food quickly?
No, slowly.
No, yes, no. We should chew our food slowly. Okay, the other one says, we may choke and cough if we eat quickly. Is it true or false? We may choke and cough if we eat quickly. Is it true or false? We may choke and cough if we eat quickly. Alka, what is the answer?
Yes.
Yes, it's true. If we eat quickly, we might choke or cough. The next one says, we should not talk when our mouth is full. Is it true or false? It's true. We must not eat when our mouth is full. And the next one, yes, we should wash our hands after eating. Is it true or false? Java?
Yes.
Yes, it's true. We should wash our hands. We drink 8 glasses of water a week.
Yes, it's correct. Correct.
It's per day. We drink 8 glasses of water a day. No. Yes, no. Junk food makes you tired and fit and overweight. Is it true or false?
True.